Hi, it's Ibrohim. Actually, my mom told me, hey, you can make lots of money on coding. So since then, I've been interested in. Then in my ninth grade, I came up with an idea to cheat on the exams because I hated the history. So what if I built AI glasses that reads the question and projects the answer on a paper? And everything started from here. I went to college to study AI and robotics and software engineering. Then I booked a flight to Shenzhen to learn all about the hardware and robotic stuff. Later, I authored 5 papers in AI and ML to gain solid skills. I always tried to do experiments. For example, I participated in over 70 hackathons and mentored over 300,000 builders. That's crazy because those practical skills and the old knowledge helped me to join few VC funded startups. And then I was curious about everything, so I organized a hackathon, over $1 million hackathon. That's crazy. We were pretty unique with our like insanely designed posters, and it helped us to attract like sponsors, and we went viral on the internet. Now I'm the founder of Venice AI. It's like AI creative studio. We help you create winning ads on the internet.